Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set speed limit on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the settings button under the vehicle. Click that, and here you can find the fourth option, the Matthew and units. Go to the second section and you can find the second option, the speed limit units. You can select kilometer and automatic and others options, and just select one and click that, and you can use the selected speed limit units. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.